everyone, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to multiply by, so it's like 11, like numbers using 11. So for example, 11, 12, which is 11 plus 1, 13, 11 plus 2, or also numbers like 22, 11 times 2, or 33, which is 11 times 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is, well, I'm just going to pick a number. Let's do 135 times 11. So first I need to teach you how to multiply by 11, or like the shortcut to multiply by 11. So the shortcut to multiply by 11 is what you have to do is you have to there's two ways to do it. So either you have to write the number, so this is one of the ways, you have to write the number 135 and then add a 0 and then write the number again like that and then add them up together. So like that'll be 5, 8, 4, 1. Or another way is you have to write down the first number. Then you have to write down the first plus the second number, which is 4. Then you have to write down the second plus the third number, which is 8, and then finally the last number. So like that. So there's two shortcuts you can use. Either way is fine. So you have to multiply it by 11, and then so once you get the answer, which is 1485, that's the shortcut to multiply by 11. So now let's do 135 times 12. So basically you just have to, above it I'm going to write 11 plus 1. So you're going to have to multiply by 11 first. So that would make it 1. And then these two add together is 4. These two add together is 8. And then the last one is 5. So you have to multiply by 11. And then you have to, if you're doing 12, you have to add that number again. So 135. So, okay. So you have to multiply by 11. So now that 11's gone. And then now we have this 1. So we have to add. So that's this symbol right here. We have to add. And so we have to add 1 times, because that's a 1. So add 1 time. So add this number 1 time. And that is equal to, you can just do 1485, 135, 10, 2, 6, 1, which is equal to 1620. So that is the shortcut. Or, so that's, let's just do, how about 243 times 14. So 14 is 11 plus 3. Okay, so first we have to multiply it by 11. So 243 times 11 is 2, then 2 plus 4 is 6, and 4 plus 3 is 7, then 3. So it's that. And then we have to add, so we have to add this number 3 times. So 11's gone, and we have to add that number 3 times. So plus 243, plus 243, plus 243, and you do that 2673, or 243, 243. Okay, that's 12, 13, 2, 8, 4, 1, 3. And that equals 3402. So that's if you're adding. So that's if you're using numbers like 12, 13, 14, 15, those kind of numbers. But if you're using numbers like 22 and 23, so let's just pick 319 times 22, then you have to, so this is 11 times 2. So you basically, what you have to do is you have to multiply by 11. So that's the first thing you do. So just multiply by 11. So 3190 plus 319. So 9. Yep. So it equals 3509. And then, so we've used up this 11. Now there's times 2. So we literally times 2. So 3509 times 2 is 7,018. And there you go, that's how you do it. Now I'm just going to take one last example. Times 55, so it's 11 times 5. Alright, so first we have to multiply by this number by 11. So that would be 1353. So it's 1, and then those 2, and then those 2, and then 3. Okay, so 1353, and then, so we've done the 11 bit, and then we have to multiply by 5. So we multiply by 5. That is equal to, no, I'm going to need to do this. 1, 3, 5, 3, 5. It is equal to 6765. And that's the answer. So that's basically it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye. See you in my next video.